Good morning, students. You chapter 2, that is more on numbers. So let's start. Yes, students. Today we will learn about chapter 2. Topic is more on numbers. First of all, we are going to recall ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to represent objects arranged in particular order, as if you are standing first in your class. When ma'am has told you to make a queue, you are first. The other person, the other student who is your friend is standing second, third, fourth, fifth, like this, and so on. In that, these numbers always tell us about the order and the position of something in counting, that is called ordinal numbers. So, we are going to do ordinal numbers in our recall exercises. In that, we are going to do first exercise, that is recall. In that, children of class 2 are having race. Yes, they are having race, and we have to fill the ordinal number. That one first person, first boy is standing with a bicycle. He is first. Second is, that is after first, that is second. So we are going to write here second. Yes, and we know the spelling of second also. That is second. Second. Okay. Next is, the girl is third in the position. She is having third position. This boy is having fourth position. What is the spelling of fourth? Fourth. Fourth. Fifth position is already written. Now we are going to write here. The boy is sixth in position. Spelling of sixth is SIX, sixth, and TH, sixth. Okay. Next is, he is seventh. He is on seventh position. So we are going to write here seventh. Yes. This boy is on eighth position. We are going to write here eighth position. Yes. Next is ninth position. We are going to write here NINTH, ninth position. This is called our ordinal number, and we have done it. Yes, we have done it. Now we are going to do skip counting. What is skip counting? When we skip or we jump, that is called skip counting. In that fixed step, if the boy is throwing ball and ball is going at 2 point, after that 4 point, then 6 point, then 8, and then 10, and then so on, 12, 14. What it's doing? It's doing like it is leaping. It is skipping one number and going to the another number. So, in this series, counting is done by skipping a number in between. Okay, so after 2 comes 4. 3 is left out. After 4, 6 is come. Why? Because 5 is left out, and so on. Therefore, next 3 numbers are, after 10 would be 12, 14, 16. This is skip counting in twos because we are counting every second number. Okay. So similarly, when we skip two numbers in between. Count every third number. It is called skip counting in threes. Okay, for example, it is like a table also, like 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, like this. So on. So here we come to our exercise practice session 2.1. It is related to skip counting. Okay, so let's start our skip counting. The first is 2 in twos, means we have to do skip counting of two numbers. Like we have written here 2, 3 is left out, 4 is written, 5 is left out, 6 is written. Yes. 7 is left out, 8 is written, 9 is left out, 10 is written, 11 is left out, 12 is written. Yes, very good. Now next is 13 is left out, 14 is written, 15 is left out and 16 is written. 17 is left out and 18 is written and so on. But we will do after that. Till 18 we are going to do it. Okay. Next is 3, 6, 9. It means it is of skip counting with 3. 3's. 4, 5 left out. 6 is written. 7, 8 left out. 9 is written. Now 10, 11 left out. 12 is written. Yes. 13, 14 left out. 15 is written. 16, 17 left out. 18 is written. 19, 20 left out. 21 is written. 22 and 23 is left out and 24 is written. 25 and 26 left out. 27 is written. Yes. Now we have come to know about the skip counting of twos and threes both. Now we are going to do skip counting with fours in fours. What we do is we are going to leave three numbers. That is 4 is written, 5, 6, 7 leave. 8 is written, 9, 10, 11 is left and 12 is written. 13, 14, 15 is left and 16 is written. 17, 18, 19 is left. 20 is written. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 23 till 23, 24 is written. 25, 26, 27, 28 is written. 29, 30, 31, 32 is written. 33, 34, 35, 36 is written. Like this, we have done 4 skip counting also. Now we are going to do 5s. 5s counting is like just skip 5. Like after 5, 10 will come. After 10, 15. 0505 concept is there. After 15, 20, 20. After 20, 25, 25. After 25, 30, 30. After 30, 35. After 35, 40. After 40, that is 45. Yes. Now, tens. In tens counting, what we do? Skip counting, just put counting and put 0 behind. Like this. 1010, 2020, 30 is written right here, 4040. After that, 5050. After that, 6060. 70 is written. Then what you do? You are going to write here 80. After that, 90. Yes, we have done skip counting properly. So now we have done skip counting also. Now we are going to do even numbers and odd numbers. Objects that are two in numbers are said to be in pairs. So let's see what is this? This is pair of socks, a pair of shoes, a pair of gloves. They are two in number, that is called pair. Okay, let us try to represent number in pairs. 8 is in 8. How many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, these are 4 pairs that 8 number is having. Next is 9. Is 9 is also having the same pair? It is having the same pair, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1 is extra, so it is having no proper pairs. When it is not having proper pair, it is called odd numbers. When they are having proper pairs of numbers, it is called even number. When a number can be made in pairs, it is called an even number, that is 8, 2, 4, 6, 10 also. When a number cannot be made in pair, it is called an odd number, that is 1, 3, 7, 5 also. It is called odd numbers. So 8 is an even number, and whereas 9 is an odd number. Yes, in this way, in the same way, we can try another number also. See, it is written here, try it again. In the date of birth, that your date of birth is odd or even. My date of birth is 5, that is odd. In the month of Feb, it means 2, it is even. And it is odd and even combination. Okay, so remember, numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the place of ones. In the ones place are even numbers, and numbers that are ones place having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. So let's start our practice session 2.2. In that, we are going to count, we are going to make pair. After that, we are going to recognize that the number is even or odd. So let us count first of all. Here numbers are given. Here scrolling creature is also there. Snail is there. We are going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 and it has 3 pairs. How we are going to make the pair? Like this. We are going to make the circle in that. That is circle of 2. Pair of 2. In that we are going to make circle. Like 1 pair. This is 1 pair. And this is 2 pair. This is 3 pair. But 1 is extra. 1 is extra number. It has no pair. So it is odd number. We are going to write here ODD, odd. ODD, odd number. This is called odd number because one number is left without pair. Next is balls. So colorful balls are there. We are going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 they are. And they have two pairs. One, this is one pair. This is one pair. This is two pair. This is three pair. And this is four pair. Nothing is left. It means it is an even number. We're going to write here the spelling of even is even, even. Okay, students? Now they are balloons. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They are 12 in numbers. And how many pairs? We are going to see this by drawing one line. This is one pair. This is two pair. This is three. This is four. This is 5 and this is 6. 6 paired means it is even number. Yes, it is even number. We are going to write it here. Even number. E, spelling of even is E-V-E-N. Even number. Now we are going to write what the pencils are pair or not, or they are even or odd numbers. Just check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or we can make one line and we can make the pair directly also like this. One pair, two pair, three pairs, four pairs, five pairs, six pairs, seven pairs. What we are seeing here, one pencil is left means it is the number that is odd. Yes, it is an odd number and in that pairs are not completely done. So it is an odd number. We have written here odd numbers. Okay, students? Got it? Yes, students. We have come to know what is odd and what is even number. Now we are going to do circle the odd numbers. Circle the odd numbers means we are supposed to circle the number that is odd in number. That is, at one's place, it should be odd number. I told you 1, 3, 7, 5 and 9 also an odd number. So we are going to check one's place only. 3, 6, 3 is our odd number. We got it. And we are going to make circle. We can make circle with this. Here 363 is the odd number. 4 is there, it means it is even number. 8 is there, it means it is even number. So we got our answer. Next is 121, 128, 130. But here we got our answer because it is 1 at one's place and 1 is already an odd number. So we got our answer, that is 121. This is our answer. Next is 552, 559, 500. 9 at one's place is our odd number and we got our answer. We are going to make the circle here 559. Okay. Next is 788, 718 and 707. At one's place there is 7. So here we got our odd number, that is 707. Yes. Now we are going to circle the even number. First of all, we are going to read it. 188, 107, 123. 3 is odd, 7 is odd, 8 is even. So we are going to circle the number that is even, that is 8 at one's place. B. 306, 333, 387. We are going to see only the place of ones. Ones digit like 6, 3 and 7. What is odd and what is even? You know it. Even is 6 number. So we are going to make the circle of that 306. Next is 511, 522 and 557. What is odd here? 1, 2 or 7? 1 is odd, 7 is odd. What is even then? 522 is even. Yes. Next is 603 odd because 3 is at one's place. Yes. 687 is also an odd number because 7 is at one's place. 612, it is an even number. We are going to circle it like this. Very good. Next is write the odd numbers between the following. Between. We are not supposed to take 40 and we are not supposed to take 60 also. In between number we have to write that are odd. Odd number will start from 1 at one's place. That is 41, comma 43, comma 45, comma 47, comma 49, comma again 1, 51, 53, 55, 57 and 59. That is our odd numbers in between 40 to 60. Next is 130 and 140. So we are going to write here 131, 131, 133, 135, 137. That is our answer, and last is 139. These are odd numbers in between. Next is write the even numbers between the following. That is, we have to write the even numbers. Even number always start with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 at one's place. Yes, at one's place. So we are going to start with 72, comma 74. It is like skip counting also. Okay. 74, 76, 78, 80. Because 80 has 0 at one's place. So it is also called even number. Yes, even number. 82, 84, 86, 88. Then 90. And after that 91 is a odd number. So we are going to not write it. Next is 155 and 165. So we are going to start it with 156. That is 156, comma 157 we are going to leave it because it is odd number. Then we are going to write here 158. 159 we are going to leave it and we are going to write here 160. 160. 161 leave 162. 163 leave 164. That is our answer. We come to know till 165. So interesting and so good when we do in a proper way, and we should write properly with good handwriting also. So here we have written the odd numbers and even numbers both. Yes, students. Now we are going to learn about cardinal number and ordinal number. Ordinal number that I have already taught you. First, second, third, fourth. That is called ordinal number. And cardinal numbers are the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here very interesting picture is given. In that circus picture is given with the ordinal number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are called cardinal numbers, and in the position they are standing, rabbit is standing at first place. So first, second is monkey, third is doggy, fourth is camel, fifth is tiger, sixth is doggy, and this one is jackal, I think. And seventh, cheetah, lion, elephant, zebra, all are in one frame. And here it is giving position like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. This is called ordinal numbers. And in simple language, when we are going to write the number, that is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this only. So here we are going to do the practice of that. That is, our exercise practice session is 2.3. Match the cardinal number with ordinal number. So easy and interesting it is, isn't it? So we are going to put line in between. One is written and first is written. We are going to match it with first. Yes. Here 2 is written and second is written. This is the spelling of second. We are going to match it with second. Yes. Ninth. And 9 is written. So we are going to match it with 9. Seventh is written and 7 is written. So we are going to write it here like cardinal with ordinal. Fifth is written and 5 number is there. 4 is written and fourth number is there. 6 is written and 6 is there. 8 is too far, but we are able to make the line. We are able to make the line like this. This is eighth and 8 number, that is called cardinal number. And ordinal number are the numbers that tell the position. So students, now we are going to do ordinal numbers. Fill in the blanks by writing correct ordinal numbers here. Anita, Jack, Mary, Bobby, Lalit, Simmi and Mohit are standing together with their hands in hand, and they all are friends. Jack is the dash boy from the right. Jack. Just see here, where is Jack? And from right, what is the position of his standing? Like Mohit is standing, it is first from right side. Right is here and left is here. So Mohit is right first, second is Simi, third is Lalit, fourth is Bobby, and fifth is Mary, and Jack is at the sixth position. So we are going to write here sixth. Jack is the sixth boy from the right. Spelling of sixth is Sixth, sixth. Next is Lalit is the dash boy from the left. Lalit is Lalit is there, and from left we are supposed to tell its position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is cardinal number, but if we are talking about ordinal number, that is the position, we are going to write here fifth. Yes, fifth. 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 From the left. Bobby is the dash boy from the right. Now again right. Means Mohit is first, Simi is second, Lalit is third, and Bobby is fourth in position. He is standing on fourth position. That is the spelling of Fourth. Fourth. Fourth is the number that is called ordinal number. Okay, student, we have come to know that what is cardinal number and what is ordinal numbers. Yes, students, now we will do chapter checkup. Now we are doctor and we are going to check up our chapter 2, that what we have learned in chapter 2. So just revise it. First question is, tick the correct option. What option? In that question is also given. So first of all, we are going to read the question. That is the even number between 150 and 153. Even number that comes in between 50 and 53 is 150, and 153 is 152. We are going to just make the tick of that like this only. Next is, what is ordinal number? Ordinal numbers. You know what is ordinal number? Here we are going to tick it like this, 152, and ordinal number. Ordinal number is the position that tells about position, and its sign is always it end with th, that is third, eighth, seventh, ninth, 10th. So eighth position is 8th. We are going to tick it like this. Next is counting by threes. The next number is 3, 6, and 9. What will be the next number? That is 12. Yes, because we are going to skip two numbers, that is 10 and 11. And we are going to know that 12 is the number that is come in counting threes. Skip counting with threes. Next is fill in the blanks. In that fill in the blanks, it is skip counting only. 120, 121 is left. 122, 123 is left. 124, 125 is left. 126, 127 is left. And we are supposed to write here 128. Yes, 128. Next is comma 128, 129 leave, and write here 130, that is 130. 131 is left and 132 is written. Now we are going to leave 133 and we are going to write here 134. Yes, comma 135 leave and 136 is the answer. Yes, we come to know that how we are going to do skip counting also with 2. Now next is skip counting by 2 we have done here. And we are leaving one number, that is 2, that is called skip counting of 2. So we are going to write here 2 also, skip counting by 2. Here number is 464, 468. It means the gap is of 4 digits and we are going to leave 3 numbers in between. So we are going to write here 4 first of all, here 4, and here we are going to write the number next to 3 numbers. That is 468, 469 leave, 470 leave, 471 leave, and our answer, we got our answer, that is 472 is our answer. Then leave 473, 74, 75 also, and you write here 476. That is our answer. Next is 77, 78, 79, 80 is there. 480 is our answer. 481, 482, 483, and we got our answer 484. 484 is our answer. Next is leave 485, 486, 487, and right here 488. This is our answer. Next is 489, 490, 491, and we got our answer, that is 492. Next is leave 493, 494, 495, and we got our answer 496. Yes, we got our answer here. This is the counting by 4. Next is 303, and 2 numbers are in gap. After that 333, it means it is the counting by 10. Yes, why? Because after 3 it is of ones place and here it is 0. Now we will read it 303 and 313. Yes, this is our next answer. What is our next answer is? After 313, that will be 323. After 323, 333 is there. 343 is there. 353 is our answer. Next answer is 363. Next answer is 373. So easy and interesting, isn't it, students? Yes, this is very interesting and very easy to do. Now, students, we have already learned about ascending order and descending order. We are just doing recap, just doing checkup also, that we have already done. In that, we are going to do select the even numbers and write them in ascending order. Here, numbers should be even or odd, but we have to do it according to the largest and smallest. In ascending order, we always start with smallest number, that is even also. So first of all, we have to select even numbers. 23 is even? No, because 3 is there. 3 is odd number. 14 is even? Yes, it is even. Write them in ascending order also. So we are going to first tell that 14 is even, 78 is even, 56 is even, and we are going to write accordingly here. Like smallest number is 14, 1 for 14. Next is 56, that is even number also, and it will come in between. And 78 is the largest number and even number also. Next is 144, 175, 188, 196, 171. 144 is even number, yes. 188 is also even number and 196 is also even number. So we are going to write it accordingly. 144, smallest. 188, that is even number also, and it will come in between. And after that, the biggest number is 196. We have done with our ascending order. In that, we have mind properly about even number also. Next is odd number. Now we are going to select odd numbers and write them in descending order. Descending order means largest to the smallest, but it should be odd also in number. So first of all, we are going to select that number is odd or even. See, 20 is even number, so we don't need it. 73 is even number. No, it is an odd number because 3 at one's place is odd number. 49 is also odd number because 9 is at one's place and it is an odd number. 28 is even number because 8 is at one's place and 8 is even number. 11, yes, 11 is odd number because 1 is there at one's place. So first of all, we are going to write the biggest odd number, that is 73. Yes, that is 73. After that, what is bigger? 49 is bigger but smaller than 73, and 11 is the smallest one. So we are going to write it like this only, from largest to smallest. But it should be odd also. The number should be odd also. Here next, our next sum is 141, 135, 174, 161, 192. It means 141 is odd, 135 is odd, 161 is odd. But which is bigger? This is bigger. 161. 1 at one's place. So it is bigger. 161. After that, 141. It is odd number and bigger than 135. It is also an odd number and it is the smallest number. So we have done ascending order, descending order with the mind, odd numbers and even numbers. Next is very interesting. In that ordinal numbers position is given. My name consists of 5 letters. Read the clues and fill in the boxes to find my name. That is first and fourth. What is first position? This is our first position. So here A is done. A in capital. Okay. A. And first, second, third, and fourth. Fourth is also A. So we are going to write here A. Fifth letter is Y. Fourth and fifth letter is Y. So we are going to write here Y. Third letter is H. So interesting it is. We are going to write here H. And second letter is B. So we come to know that what is its name. Name is Abhay. 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 So students, we have come to an end of our chapter 2. We have enjoyed a lot doing math. Chapter 2, in that we have learned odd numbers, even numbers, ordinal numbers, cardinal numbers, and we come to know that how to do ascending order, descending orders too. We enjoyed this class. Did you enjoy this class? Yes, you enjoyed this class. Okay. Now our next session we will complete it at chapter 3. Now chapter 2 is completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.